What is going on, fellow beginners and wannabe crypto traders? Today is another day where we're doing our daily BTC and crypto market update. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. And right here, we were looking at the 4-hourly chart of Bitcoin right now. And as you can see, we are still seeing our beautiful range, which we set up over a month ago. And this is why these ranges are so important, because you always deviate above and below all of these ranges. Now, as you can see right here, we do have a couple of uptrends that are still intact. I've seen a lot of bearishness, a lot of crazy stuff, people saying, oh my gosh, it's gonna go back to 15k and everything over the last couple of days. But to be honest with you guys, I'm not seeing this at all, because we still have a couple of very nice uptrends here. As long as these uptrends are not broken, this is still a long position basically. Just to show you guys, if we would be longing right here, I would be setting the stop loss right here, which is pretty much just 5% below the current price. And then we would be going here to 32,000, which is another 16% bump. I can see how a lot of people would be saying, oh my gosh, this is so bearish and I'm going to be shorting and this is a rounding up and then it's just going to go down and everything. Sure. That is totally a viable possibility. Just simply from my experience in this crypto market, there is probably not such a high chance of a dump right now as of a continuation of a pump, because so many people have been talking about this level, 28,500. Everybody is gonna short that one. And guess what? Most of the time, these shorters, maybe they get like a small 1-2% dump. But if after that, it's just going straight up again. And now to the 4-hourly chart of Ethereum. Right here, as you can see, we have marked out the level of $2,000 for Ethereum, which is amazing. And as you can see previously, our top range right here, which we have marked out multiple times, has been hit, rejected, went for another push, and right now retesting it very nicely. Now what I would say is, once again, as long as we are holding above this range, even you could say, okay, you could extend it down to here. So as long as this box right here, $1,680, as long that is holding up, there's no need to be bearish at the moment for Ethereum, because there's just so much space to the upside. Once you are actually bullish and you're making the moves to the upside, there's no need to fade the trend, because right now we are very clearly in an uptrend. And this uptrend first needs to be broken before we can say, okay, now it's time to really short. From where I would short is only if we break down, we come back here, and then we get a rejection again. So then I would short from here on, and then short it all the way down to here, possibly lower. The possibilities, realistically, quite low of happening, but we will know what to do if it gets to a point like that. Okay, and now over to Litecoin again on the 4-hourly chart. And once again, what do we see here? What I can see from a lot of people, oh my gosh, this is going down. This is like a double top and it's rounding and the resistance has not been broken yet, yada. So this we hear all the time. But if we actually take a closer look on what is happening, we can see exactly that we have one touch, two touches, the third touch right here. And even on this third touch right now, that means we have an uptrend, because these lows are trending to the upside. And we see our MyAlgo index is showing 0. That means it's oversold at this point. Usually, once MyAlgo starts moving up to the upside, this makes a very good opportunity to get into the market, or in this case, into Litecoin. So what I would be saying right here, to be honest, once again, as long as this uptrend is not broken, There's no need for shorting. I am still bullish. I'm still getting into the long positions. Only if we break down and we actually retest it in a breakdown again, then I was short, because we have seen in previous videos where we do have a very nice support. It breaks down, it deviates below, and then it just starts pumping back up in just one go, and everybody who wanted to short on the first breakdown, they're liquidated. And now to a coin that has been really insanely strong, and this is Solana on the 4-hourly chart. As you can see on the previous videos,
flashback.
So with this downtrend right here, it is trending down. We are seeing something similar to what we see in a bull flag, just right here, a little bit as a bear flag. If this actually continues downwards, because we did break this beautiful uptrend, we did retest the resistance, and we are just seeing this one right here. And then technically, if you're speaking in a bearish scenario, you would see the similar move to the downside, more or less to the $20, $21 range. This is where Solana would be very, very nice to see, unless, I do have to admit it, unless we do see already on Friday the move down here to 22.75. If this move already happens on a Friday, then most of the time you can expect the weekend to be trending back up and reversing this entire downtrend that it has been doing.
End of flashback.
We have seen a crazy amount from here, and it was actually going all the way down and hit our level of $16.75. It hit it perfectly, with perfection, honestly. And from there on, that marked the perfect bottom. And if you followed on our videos previously, this was a 37% pump since the bottom. Okay, now this is insane, and this is insanely strong. But once again, we are seeing a beautiful and strong uptrend on Solana. And once again, as long as this uptrend is not broken, there is no reason to believe that there is not going to be another 35% pump going for that $30 level. And right now, to spice it up a little bit, BNB on a 4-hourly chart. As you can see on our previous videos, we have marked out the levels, and those been holding up quite nicely. Now, unlike on Solana, we missed the perfect bottom right here by, I don't know, $3 or something. I'm sorry for that, guys, for those guys who actually put their orders at $260. The bottom was $263, I believe. Yeah. And what we are seeing right now is actually here, once again, a local uptrend. Obviously, in general, this is the uptrend. It's a very, very steep uptrend, and I would not mind seeing a little bit of a correction. But BNB has been insanely strong over the last couple of weeks. CZ has been announcing a lot of good stuff. Binance has been holding up very nicely during the entire USDC crash. And what we are seeing right now is we are seeing once again a beautiful neutral wedge. And as you know, neutral wedges are a little bit heavy to trade, because those are having some fake outs to the downside, some fake outs to the upside, and then again, and then it only picks the side. But if we would ignore this one right here, the top resistance right here, and we would be seeing here that our index, our MyAlgo index, is actually going down while the chart is going up. This gives us a hidden bullish divergence. Obviously, I personally don't like putting too much weight on hidden bullish divergences, but those exist, and those are actually, as it says, bullish. Now, for BNB, the target, to be honest, the main target that I have in mind is $400. Obviously, the first confirmation that we're going there would be at $350, but $400 is the ultimate target. Now, I can see how BNB actually goes back down here to $316 before going back up to here to the levels that it's at right now, and then continues its ride to $400. Obviously, I would like to see just a pump straight from here, straight towards $400. This is what my bullish heart would love to see, but we will take it as it comes. We will trade it day by day, level by level. Alright guys, that was another insane video for you, updating the markets and everything what is happening in crypto right now. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video and put on the notification bell so that you never miss out on another video again, because these videos are making money. As you saw, levels are getting hit, we're having fun, and Kong